Tim Walling here, SC Legal Carry. We train people to get a CWP in the state of South Carolina. If you need a concealed weapons permit, please look us up online at sclegalcarry.com. What we've got tonight is the Beretta M1951. Now this is a single stack 9mm. This one was used by the Italian police, and it's a surplus firearm. So this was decommissioned, I believe, in the early 80s when they came out with the Beretta, the 92. The 92 is just a double stack. Pretty much same firearm, double stack version of it. Now you can see this firearm was used. You see all the wear on this gun, the holster wear on it. Look where the original owner had painted red here, white dot here. And I added a little more paint to it just to brighten it back up a little bit. It had faded a good bit. This is a beautiful gun. This gun was originally made in a 380. Then they made it in a 9mm, and this gun is clear, but it is just like your 92 today, pretty much. Now, the grip, some of them had the Beretta emblem on the grip right here. This one did not. So I found another old stock. You can see it's kind of worn and messed up a little bit, but that's what you want in guns like this. They show the wear and the use from being carried and used throughout time. So I'm going to put this on. Let's get started here. Really hadn't messed with this gun before, so I'm not sure what to expect. Okay, just making sure there are no springs or anything that might be going to jump up out of here when I took this off. DK Firearms, this is where I went and found the extra parts to it. I bought these grips. All this stuff is original parts. This looks like it's a pretty easy change out. Not a whole lot to that, is it? Drops right in. All right, this thing has a great trigger in it. I mean, there's almost no take up, and when you pull the trigger, very, very little creep. Nice and crisp. 6 pounds, 13 ounces. This was just a really fun gun to shoot. In the steel challenge that I shot with it, it was super smooth. I mean, very little recoil in this firearm. The weight of it, the balance of it is just perfect in this single stack version. And I just really enjoyed shooting it that day. And everybody was curious about it. They wanted to check the firearm out as I was firing it that day. I did actually find an original holster carried and used by the Italian police to put this firearm in. And this is what I used the day that I took it and shot the steel challenge with it, was this white holster. Really nice. I even found the belt, an original belt that was used by the Italian police. And inside here it says, I don't know if you guys can see that, I'm not going to unroll it, but it says Super Ace written inside the belt. So that was a really nice find, really nice thing to have with the firearm also. I enjoyed it. Please be a responsible adult. Don't push your responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Till next time, folks, take care.